Hey everybody, it's October 17th, 2023, early season muzzleloader here in Western PA, and today I'm out here getting the little doe hunting going on. That's all you're allowed to take with muzzleloader at this time of the year. Now if I had my bow I could take a buck, but right now we're just going after some doe. But anyway, it's a nice day. It's cool. It's in the high 40s. There's no wind. It's quiet. So we're hoping that we'll get to see some action. Trail cams have been alive pretty much from about 4:30 to about, in the dark, obviously. But they've been pretty active, pretty busy. So, and I'm in a pretty good spot. I got apple trees all around me. I'm in some thick, heavy pines where they like to hang out for cover and stuff. So we'll see how it goes, but let's see what happens.
Mer.